Radio Thailand's World Service, broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government. This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีครับ and this is Radio Thailand's Morning News Hour with me, Pratangwit Jodjit, and with me, Benjamin Ruchopagan. Starting off our national news this morning. Deputy Prime Minister and Chief Marshal Prajin Chantong denies rumors that the transfer of two DSI deputy directors was politically motivated. Meanwhile, Royal Thai Fleet 1 and the Provincial Excise Office of Chonburi apprehend a ship attempting to smuggle 240,000 liters of diesel through the Gulf of Thailand. Looking at the global scene, Russian President Vladimir Putin asserts the Kuril Islands dispute between Russia and Japan was unlikely to be settled soon. And on the business agenda, the Thai government concludes 4 years of stockpile rice auctions, saving the state 93 billion baht in rice storage expenses. All those top headlines and many more coming up.
National News.
Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline. Now flying direct from Bangkok to Thai daily. Call 1771.
First up in today's national news. Deputy Prime Minister and Justice Minister and Chief Marshal Prajin Chantong has denied rumors that the Ministry of Justice's latest move to transfer two deputy directors from the Department of Special Investigation, or DSI, was to remove officers from its executive positions. As Chief Marshal Prajin said, no attempt was being made to diminish the DSI's role, adding that it was a simple case of restructuring based on job suitability, and the DSI is duty-bound to work with various agencies. He said the DSI needs to find suitable personnel in fields where it is lacking. He added that his department needs experts from various fields to help solve complex cases.